If you're looking to choose a career path in design, the primary skill that you need is to be able to learn new things all the time.
Designers are often required to wear many hats: innovator, leader, and problem solver, just to name a few.
So I think a good design leader needs to understand people and have empathy, thinking specifically about the relationship between the design leader and their design team.
Design strategy is really the alignment of the needs, desires, and aspirations of users, of consumers, of customers, patients, students.
So the goals of accessibility standards are to ensure that everyone can have access. Those guidelines and those standards are saying, hey, we are looking to make things perceivable, operable, understandable, and robust.
The role of a designer in marketing comes down to being the translator. No one loves to be sold to and have information kind of shoved down your throat. But also at the same time, you need to meet your company's goals.
I regularly have the privilege of working with designers and other types of creators. What you do is develop intellectual property. What's always important is understanding the basics of how to protect what you create.
So in my own design practice, which is parallel to my work at AIGA, I started a design studio called FUSA, and we really talked about our work as community-centered design. And as that relates to ethics, it's thinking beyond just the individual user or the individual customer.
A strong network. I think the why is pretty obvious, I don't know, at least for me in my world. And that is, I don't think I've ever gotten any gig or project or even a job offer that was not related to people who knew me or knew me through people who knew me. Whenever you know what you stand for and what your voice is as a designer, and you participate within that world, opportunities will arise.
There's this whole concept in martial arts where every year you have to become a white belt again and be a beginner for a period of time. And to be a designer is to do that because you're always walking into a new project, a new client, a new domain, something you haven't done before, and you have to learn very quickly.
The goal of this course is to equip designers with the foundational knowledge necessary to make a positive impact with their designs and in their organizations. So let's get started.